Welcome to Kinfolks Knowledge.
(31) JavaScript program to convert decimal to binary. Certainly. Here's a JavaScript program to convert a decimal number to binary. JavaScript. Function decimal to binary, decimal. If decimal equals 0. Return 0. Else. Let binary equals. While decimal greater than 0. Binary equals decimal %2 plus binary. Decimal equals math. Floor decimal 2. Return binary. Let decimal number equals 42. Let binary number equals decimal to binary. Decimal number. Console.log. Binary representation of plus decimal number plus is plus binary number. In this program, we define a function decimal to binary that converts a decimal number to its binary representation. The base case of the recursion is when the decimal number is 0. In this case, we return 0 as the binary representation. For decimal numbers greater than 0, we initialize an empty string binary to store the binary representation. We use a while loop to perform the conversion. Inside the loop, we calculate the remainder of the decimal number divided by 2 using the modulo operator %, and append it to the front of the binary string. We then update the decimal number by dividing it by 2 using math. Floor to discard any remainder. The loop continues until the decimal number becomes 0. Finally, we return the binary string as the binary representation of the given decimal number. We define the variable decimal number with the decimal number we want to convert to binary. In this case, 42. We call the decimal to binary function with decimal number as the argument, and store the result in the variable binary number. Finally, we use console.log to display the binary representation of the decimal number. When you run this code, it will convert the decimal number to binary using the provided function and print the result as binary representation of 42 is 101,010 inches in the console. Feel free to modify the value of decimal number to convert different decimal numbers to binary. The end.